Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, and I'm going to do a quick walk around on this 2020 Forest River Cedar Creek 34ik Luxury 4 Seasons triple slide fifth wheel. Pretty much fully loaded. These Hathaways are pretty much full time if you wanted that option. Hide a bed sleeper sofa in the rear, theater seating, table and chairs, island kitchen floor plan, huge TV in the living room, Bluetooth stereo, soundbar, fireplace, all stainless steel appliances by Furrion, beautiful 3-burner gas cooktop, convection oven, huge residential refrigerator that is powered by a 1000-watt inverter when you're driving down the road. In the bedroom, you've got the king bed slide out, coach's 50-amp service, washer and dryer prepped, dual sinks, residential shower, coach is equipped with 2 large AC units, fully enclosed heated underbelly so you can go into 0-degree weather, frameless tinted windows, full awning package, all aluminum frame construction, (16-inch) aluminum alloy wheels, the exterior is going to be a full gel coat finish. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, and if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram.